Memorizing answers is no longer enough. The future belongs to students who can question, build, and solve. Students who are ready for a world beyond the classroom. That is the idea behind HCL Jigsaw. Built to nurture future-ready thinking in young minds. A platform where curiosity matters, ideas matter, collaboration matters. Aligned with the National Education Policy, trusted by 8,200 plus schools, experienced by 500,000 plus students. An opportunity for schools to go beyond textbooks, to help students think independently, solve confidently, and prepare for the future ahead. This is more than a competition. It is a chance for students to become India's next big problem solvers. To showcase ideas on a national platform, experience HCL's innovation labs, and win prizes and gadgets worth 12 lakh rupees. HCL Jigsaw Edition 7. Registrations are now open. Register before July 31st, 2026.